If you've got a door that's sticking on the top, the way you can do that, there are a couple things you can do. You can sand down the door, which I've done a little bit of, or you can put a little piece of cardboard. You can see that I've cut out a piece of cardboard, the same size as the hinge, and then we're going to put that behind this hinge right here, the top hinge. What that will do is it'll force the door out a little bit, which will lower the front end. So we're going to go ahead and slide this in, and hopefully that will do enough to improve the height of the door so that it closes and doesn't hit the top. So again, I just slid that piece of cardboard, and you can still see a little piece of it right here, but I just slid that underneath it. And what that does is it forces this top side right here, it forces it down a little bit. And so now you can see that when I close the door, it's not hitting up there. So again, just a little piece of cardboard behind the hinge right here, and then that will help your door close nice and smoothly.